Hello, welcome to TOYSREVIL. This is my third unboxing video for the Miyazaki Fairy Tales set. Third box rather, of the raisin figures that is either one of these four shown here at the box, or the fifth chase. So in the box, if you remember seeing from my earlier video, click here to watch. Yeah, then maybe I'll put a link down here. I haven't figured out how to put a click in the middle of the video yet, but in my main box there are only 4 boxes, or rather the case, I've only have 4 boxes. So it's either I receive all 4 of the standard figures or 3+1 chase. That's a bit tricky. Anyway, jump straight into the unboxing, which so far I'll open up from the bottom. A lot of times I traditionally open up from the top, but yeah, I'll try something different here. Don't really want to spoil the boxes, but anyway, if this is the first time you're seeing this unboxing video, check out my other unboxing videos of this series, but give you a quick description. From this blind box, I will pick up, housed within is another foam box made up of a carved out hollowness. I can see what the figure is. Sealed at the bottom, easily movable top. Yeah, maybe I should put it here like that. And yes, I think I know what it is. You can figure out from the pictures. It's nice. Kiki's Delivery. This is the figure. Let's look at the box, the art. This is the figure. As all figures are, it's from the box art, it's only one image, but it's of course feels different when you have the entire figure in your hand and you can turn around. Yeah, sorry, I should have focused that. First off, I'll say the negatives. The paint app is pretty horrendous. You can't deny it. It's just horrendous, not completed. If I were any talented, I might complete the figure by painting it, but no, I'm not talented. And I bought this knowing this is how it will look like, because the samples were on display, and one look and you know these are not going to be tip-top production finished figures lah. And mind you, these are raisin figures, solid piece. I'm also quite scared to drop them, but I'm liking this piece because of the eyes. Look at the glossy eye and the details. So probably something stuck. I have no idea. Stuck on. This is cute lah. So it's like a chibi version of Kiki's Delivery Service. There are no markings, so without a doubt these are not more likely not licensed figures, but they ain't gonna be shy, man. Made in China. Already call out the dude's name down here already. So yeah, but you can argue it's a name might not be specific to anyone, but of course we know different, and in nowhere does it mention Studio Ghibli as well. So let's just say this is a Studio Ghibli inspired figure series. Make sense? There's this figure here. Put this here like this, the box art. You can see the box art. I'll show you this, the top of the box, which I didn't try not to fold and open up. So yeah, this is Kiki's Delivery Service. Thank you for watching.